MANSORY is the first tuner to offer a comprehensive update to its conversion program for the particularly popular Grande Entrée, initially offering a limited edition of 8 models each. The conversion program has been redesigned in all areas, meaning that all carbon parts of the relevant body kit have been completely redesigned. A new full carbon bonnet with integrated, newly directed full carbon air intakes, a new light design on the front aprons, a new roof light arrangement and new wheel arches with integrated MANSORY logo round off the changes for the model year change. The Grande Entrée also features rear hinging of the rear doors with unique soft close technology. This makes access to the rear seats of the luxury off-roader even easier and also gives it an exclusive, unusual appearance. The engine has been overhauled with the help of larger turbochargers and a high-performance exhaust system with new downpipes. With the newly programmed engine electronics, the 4.0-litre V8 engine delivers an impressive 820 horsepower, series, 585 horsepower, and the maximum torque increases from the standard 850 Nm to 1,150 Nm. Thanks to these impressive performance figures, both models accelerate from standstill to 100 km per hour in just 4.0 seconds. For the MANSORY Grande Entrée MY25, 10x24 multi-purpose rims in different designs and corresponding 295/30 R24 multi-purpose high-performance tires are available. As with all MANSORY complete conversions, the interior is basically freely selectable in terms of color, quilting and carbon design. Many details, lovingly crafted with the highest quality: seat belts with embroidered MANSORY logo, MANSORY carbon sports pedals, MANSORY leather sports steering wheel, carefully quilted MANSORY leather floor mats, MANSORY lettering on the handles and countless other detail solutions make the MANSORY Grande Entrée MY25 a very special vehicle that can masterfully implement the customer's wishes in every respect, even in the interior. A start/stop button relocated to the headliner between the sun visors and several hundred illuminated LEDs representing a starry sky in the headliner and door panels round off the changes in the interior of the Gronos and provide a unique ambience for the highest demands.